So ayan guys, after 3 days na nasa bahay ako, nakakalabas na ako dito sa harap ng bahay namin. And ito guys, exercise para naman lumakas ang katawan. Pero hindi pa ako pwedeng maglakad ng malayo. Dito lang muna ako sa harap ng bahay. Kakaano din ng fresh air. And for our family and friends guys, thank you so much for the love and support, especially for the prayers. It meant a lot guys. Thank you, and God bless. Thank you so much. Hi Kaya. So, thank you guys, see ya.